In a world obsessed with fad diets and quick fixes, intermittent fasting has emerged as a powerful and sustainable approach to weight loss and overall well-being. Unlike restrictive diets that dictate what you eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, offering a simpler and more natural way to manage your weight and improve your health. Millions around the globe are embracing this ancient practice, experiencing remarkable transformations that extend far beyond shedding pounds. The beauty of intermittent fasting lies in its simplicity. It doesn't require special foods, calorie counting, or expensive supplements. It's about aligning your eating patterns with your body's natural rhythms, allowing it to tap into its innate ability to burn fat and heal. This revolutionary approach is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle shift that empowers you to take control of your health. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve deep into the world of intermittent fasting, exploring its various methods, scientific underpinnings, and life-changing benefits. Whether you're a seasoned faster or just starting, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to unlock the transformative power of intermittent fasting. Get ready to embark on a journey that will revolutionize your relationship with food, your body, and your health. Intermittent fasting is not about deprivation. It's about rediscovering the power of your body's natural intelligence and unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. Intermittent fasting at its core is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and voluntary fasting. It's not about what you eat, but rather when you eat. By strategically timing your meals, you allow your body to enter a fasted state, triggering a cascade of metabolic processes that promote fat burning and cellular repair. During fasting periods, your insulin levels drop, signaling your body to tap into its stored fat for energy. This metabolic switch from burning glucose to burning fat is key to weight loss and improved metabolic health. Unlike restrictive diets that can leave you feeling deprived and hungry, intermittent fasting can actually reduce hunger pangs by regulating hunger hormones like ghrelin. Intermittent fasting is not starvation. It's about creating a healthy eating window that aligns with your body's natural rhythms. Within this eating window, you consume your meals, ensuring you're getting the nutrients your body needs. The fasting period, on the other hand, is a time for your body to rest, repair, and rejuvenate. This natural cycle of feasting and fasting has been practiced for centuries, from ancient hunter-gatherers to modern-day spiritual traditions. Now, backed by scientific evidence and embraced by millions worldwide, intermittent fasting is transforming the way we think about food and health. Intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. There are various methods, each with its own fasting and eating windows, allowing you to choose a style that suits your lifestyle and preferences. One popular method is the 16-8 method, also known as the Lean Gains protocol. This involves fasting for 16 hours each day and restricting your eating window to 8 hours. For example, you might skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. Another common method is the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. This method offers flexibility and can be easier to incorporate for those who find daily fasting challenging. Alternate day fasting, as the name suggests, involves alternating between days of complete fasting and days of normal eating. This method is more challenging and requires careful planning and monitoring, especially for beginners. To understand how intermittent fasting works, we need to delve into the science behind it. When you fast, your body goes through a series of metabolic changes that promote fat burning and improve overall health. One key process is ketosis. As your insulin levels drop during fasting, your body starts breaking down stored fat into ketones, which are used as an alternative fuel source by your cells, including your brain. This metabolic switch from burning glucose to burning fat is at the heart of intermittent fasting's weight loss benefits. Moreover, intermittent fasting enhances cellular repair processes like autophagy. During autophagy, your body cleans out damaged cells and proteins, promoting cellular rejuvenation and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Intermittent fasting also improves insulin sensitivity, making your body more efficient at using insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Section 5. Benefits beyond weight loss, a healthier you. While weight loss is a significant benefit of intermittent fasting, it's just the tip of the iceberg. This transformative eating pattern offers a wide range of health benefits that extend far beyond shedding pounds. Intermittent fasting improves heart health by lowering blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and reducing triglycerides, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. It also reduces inflammation throughout the body, protecting against chronic diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and arthritis. Furthermore, intermittent fasting enhances brain function by boosting brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of brain cells. This can lead to improved memory, focus, and cognitive performance. The benefits of intermittent fasting are not just physical, they're mental and emotional as well. Many people report increased energy levels, improved mood, and reduced stress and anxiety after adopting intermittent fasting. Section 6. Getting started. Your intermittent fasting roadmap. Embarking on your intermittent fasting journey can be both exciting and daunting. To ensure a smooth and successful experience, it's essential to start slowly, listen to your body, and gradually adjust to this new way of eating. Choose a method that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. If you're new to fasting, the 16-8 method is a great place to start. Begin by pushing back your breakfast gradually, extending your overnight fast by an hour or two each day, until you reach your desired fasting window. Hydration is crucial during fasting periods. Drink plenty of water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee to stay hydrated and curb hunger pangs. When it's time to break your fast, focus on nutrient-dense whole foods that will nourish your body and provide sustained energy. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to adjust your fasting schedule as needed. If you experience any severe discomfort or adverse effects, consult your doctor before continuing. Intermittent fasting is a journey, not a race, so be patient, be consistent, and enjoy the transformative benefits it brings. Section 7. FAQs. Addressing your intermittent fasting queries. Intermittent fasting often comes with its fair share of questions, especially for beginners. Let's address some frequently asked questions to clear up any doubts and provide clarity on this increasingly popular eating pattern. Can I exercise while fasting? Yes, you can exercise while fasting, but it's important to listen to your body and adjust the intensity and duration of your workouts as needed. Some people find they have more energy for workouts while fasted, while others prefer to exercise during their eating window. How do I deal with hunger pangs? Hunger pangs are normal, especially in the beginning. Drinking plenty of water, staying busy, and consuming calorie-free beverages like unsweetened tea or black coffee can help manage hunger. As your body adapts to intermittent fasting, hunger pangs will likely decrease. Can I drink coffee or tea while fasting? Yes, you can drink black coffee or unsweetened tea during your fasting periods. However, avoid adding sugar, milk, or cream, as these can break your fast. Section 8. Busting myths, separating fact from fiction. Like any popular health trend, intermittent fasting has been subject to its fair share of myths and misconceptions. Let's debunk some common myths surrounding intermittent fasting, separating fact from fiction. Myth. Intermittent fasting will slow down your metabolism. Fact: intermittent fasting has been shown to boost metabolism, not slow it down. By increasing fat burning and improving insulin sensitivity, intermittent fasting actually helps your body burn calories more efficiently. Myth. Intermittent fasting is just another fad diet. Fact: intermittent fasting is not a diet. It's an eating pattern that has been practiced for centuries. It's a sustainable lifestyle change that can be incorporated into your life long-term. Myth: intermittent fasting is bad for women. Fact: intermittent fasting can be safe and effective for both men and women. However, women may need to adjust their fasting schedule based on their menstrual cycle and individual needs. Consulting with a healthcare professional is always recommended. Section 9. Real transformations, inspiring your fasting journey. The true power of intermittent fasting lies in the countless success stories of individuals who have transformed their health and lives through this simple yet profound approach. Take, for instance, Sarah, a 45-year-old mother of two who struggled with weight loss for years. After incorporating the 16-8 method into her routine, she not only lost 20 pounds but also experienced a surge in energy and improved sleep quality. Then there's John, a 50-year-old executive who reversed his prediabetes diagnosis through intermittent fasting. By combining the 5-2 diet with regular exercise, he lowered his blood sugar levels and significantly improved his overall health. These inspiring stories are a testament to the transformative power of intermittent fasting. It's not just about weight loss, it's about reclaiming your health, boosting your energy, and living your life to the fullest. If they can do it, you can too. Embrace the power of intermittent fasting and unlock a healthier, happier you.